Bro, the CAASPP test is coming up next week. We gotta lock in and do good. No slacking.
CAASPP already? Nah, that came up way too fast.
Same, I've low-key been dreading it too. Stress level's high, but we gotta stay focused and grind.
I have to pass both tests.
Both what, math and English?
Yeah, they're giving out Viking academic incentive points, and I'm trying to stack as many as I can. I heard you can get free stuff like a yearbook, dance tickets, and a bunch of other rewards. Low-key worth it.
Okay, that's actually a pretty good deal. I just need to pass English, and if I do, I get enough points for a free yearbook. And if at least 99% of all the juniors take the test, we get a free cap and gown. That's a W.
Besides the points, why do we need to take the test?
If we do well, colleges can see that we don't need to take lower level classes when I get there. If it shows that I'm actually college and career ready. It also helps that our school gets more funding. Like, don't we want our school to have some more cash? But most importantly, it shows my growth. Seeing that I improve from one year to the next makes it just hits different. It makes all the hard work feel worth it.
Right? Better classes means now we have more prepared later.
Okay, like seriously, I should take this seriously.
I'm locked in. Let's check the schedule. All the tests start at 8:30 a.m., so make sure you're at your spot on time. Don't forget to eat breakfast and actually get some sleep the night before. Gotta be rested and ready.
Testing starts Tuesday 24th. It's a gold day and we kick it off with math. Then on the 25th, a purple day, we got English, and the science wraps it up on the 26th. Lock in.
Don't just study a little. Lock in and study a lot. We believe in you. You got this. Good luck, juniors.
Hey Vikings, welcome back to an episode of MVTV.
Hey Vikings, let's get energized and ready for some important events coming up. First up, CAASPP Testing is happening from March 25th through March 31st. We'll be taking the Math, CAT, and ELA performance tasks from 8:30 p.m. to 12 p.m. each day. Make sure you come prepared, get plenty of sleep, eat a good breakfast, and arrive on time. Let's give it our all and show what MVHS students can do. Next, join us on celebrating our amazing Student of the Month for the Student of the Month ceremony. It is happening on March 25th at 12 p.m. in the AASB Commission Room. Come out and support your peers. And seniors, don't forget, there's a senior parent meeting on March 26th at 8 p.m. in the Media Center. Make sure you and your families attend to get all the important details about graduation and upcoming events. That's all for today, Vikings. Stay focused, stay positive, and have an amazing day. See you guys next time.
Hey Vikings, here are your weekly staff announcements. It's time to start prepping for next season. If you're looking forward to playing flag football next season, make sure to go to the meeting on March 24th during lunch in the gym. Next, for you juniors out there working hard on those CAASPP tests, we appreciate your effort and you will be receiving rewards for it. Based on how you do, you'll earn points. If you meet or exceed in either ELA or math, you'll earn 500 points. If you meet or exceed both, you'll earn 750. However, if you end up exceeding both of them, you'll get 1,000. With all these points, you can end up with tons of goodies. This can include dance tickets, a free yearbook, a free gold card, and more top-tier Viking gear. Don't forget though, you need at least 95% of you to complete both tests to earn free cap and gowns for your senior year graduation. We believe in you juniors, stay sharp and get it done. That's it from me this week, Vikings. Stay tuned next time for more important info about the View.
Welcome to Wellness with Safia. This week, the Wellness is doing a pop-up for Stress Management Month, and people are taking notes and putting them in a little box, and they also get an IC.
Hello, Vikings. We're out here just raising awareness for stress management, and we have a lot of students here just sharing how they handle stress or what they do to regulate during the stressful time, especially with upcoming tests for the juniors.
Something good that happened to me today is that I got 4 slices of pizza, and I was hungry. And I'm eating it.
Something good that happened to me this week is I got 100 on my AP Stats quiz. Something good that happened to me this week is that I finally got to see my friend Jocelyn. I haven't seen forever. Something good that has happened to me is that my softball game got canceled.
Something good that has happened to me recently is that I was a fashion show model with my beautiful girlfriend.
Something good that happened this week is I hit a year with my girlfriend.
Something good that happened to me this week was that today I got a $20 gift card for my birthday, and then also my friend Noemi made me a birthday gift card, and now I'm so happy because I love it, and I love her so much.
Something good that happened to me was I got my new credit card since I lost my last one.
Something good that happened to me is that yesterday I went to Starbucks with Kenya and we got matcha.
Something good that happened to me this week is I hit a year with my boyfriend and we went out to eat.
Something good that happened to me this week is we had Monday off, so I got to spend time with my cousins.
Something good that happened to me was that I got 100 on my math test.
Thing good that happened to me recently is that a lot of students and staff members helped me film my video to wish our juniors good luck for state testing. So I really appreciate it. Thanks, everyone.
Something good that happened this week was I went to my boyfriend's game this weekend and they won their tournament.
Viking Nation, something good today. It's another beautiful day in the land of the view. It's good to be alive, enjoying the beautiful sunshine. As you can see here, we are our Vikings doing what they do best, serving the community.
What's up, Vikings? Here's your weekly update on sports across the view. First off, on Tuesday, March 24th, boys varsity tennis will travel to Arroyo High School to face the Knights at 3:30, while JV handles it here at home. Next, on Wednesday, March 25th, boys volleyball will host the South El Monte Eagles here at the gym at 3:30, with JV up first and varsity to follow. At the same time, varsity baseball will head to Gabrielino High School to challenge the Eagles, with JV here at home. Also, varsity softball will be at Gabrielino High School as well, with JV holding it down at home. A little later, cheer stunt will travel to South El Monte High School to showcase against the Eagles at 7 o'clock. Then, on Thursday, March 26th, boys varsity tennis will bring on the Rosemead Panthers at the tennis courts, with JV away at 3:30. At the same time, track and field will travel to El Monte High School to compete in a competitive meet. Finally, on Friday, March 27th, boys volleyball will host the Gabrielino Eagles here at the gym at 3:30, with JV to start off and varsity next up. At the same time, varsity baseball will head to Marshall High School to face the Eagles, while JV handles it at home. Also, varsity softball will bring on the Marshall Eagles here at the Viking softball field. As always, let's make sure to go out and show our support for our fellow Viking athletes. Also, make sure to keep an eye out for the VISTA live stream links so you can watch our Vikings from anywhere. That's all for this week, Vikings. See you guys next time.
Hello, Vikings. If you're looking to elevate your makeup game, try adding gems to your look. Whether it's around your eyes, on your cheeks, or even along your brows. Gems can instantly make your makeup pop and add the extra sparkle, enhancing your look in such a fun and creative way. And for the gossip side, speaking of confidence, let's talk about dancing. So many people are afraid to do TikTok dances because they feel embarrassed, but honestly, dancing is just fun. You don't even have to record yourself. Don't let fear stop you from enjoying something that makes you happy. That's it for me, Vikings. See you next week.
Hello, Vikings. This week's recipe is classic milkshakes. Milkshakes are great since you can customize them to your flavor of choice. You can add toppings and ingredients you like. If you're interested, scan the QR code. That's it for me, Vikings. Enjoy. Hey, Vikings. Today's recommendation is Heart of Glass by the artist named Blondie. It was released in 1978, and I strongly believe that everyone has heard this song at least once in their lives since it's pretty well known. If you're into disco or synth pop, then this song is suitable for you. That's all for me this week, Vikings.
Hey Vikings, the TV show for this week is Teen Titans. Teen Titans follows 5 teenage superheroes, Robin, Starfire, Cyborg, Raven, and Beast Boy, who form a team to protect Jump City. Led by Robin, the team operates from Titan's Tower, fighting villains like Slade, Brother Blood, and Trigon. The series also focuses on their emotional growth, friendship, and internal struggles just as much as fighting villains. That's all for this week, Vikings.
Hey Vikings, today's game is Among Us. It is a multiplayer party game developed by Inner Sloth where players work together on a spaceship while trying to uncover hidden imposters. Most players take on the role of crewmates completing tasks to keep the ship running, while a few are secretly imposters whose goal is to sabotage and eliminate others without getting caught. As players report suspicious activity, they hold meetings to discuss and vote on who they think the imposters are, making communication and deception key parts of the game. Its simple gameplay and social strategy make it extremely popular, especially for playing with friends. That's it for me, Vikings.
Hi Vikings! Last week's poll results are 20% of people don't procrastinate and 80% do. The new poll for this week is, would you rather want to be able to speak to animals or be able to speak any language? Vote on our Instagram page at MVHSVista and let us know. I'll see you next week. Bye! Hello Vikings, today's Spanish quote is baila como si nadie te estuviera mirando, porque la vida es demasiado corta para vivir con miedo. Meaning dance like no one is watching you because life is too short to live in fear. That's all for me, Vikings. See you next week.
Hey Vikings, welcome back. This week we have claw clips, your go-to for keeping your hair up, your style fresh, and your vibe effortless during this heat. Whether you're heading out, staying in, or on the go, claw clips are the perfect mix of cute and practical. From messy buns to sleek twists, there are so many ways to style them, and the best part, no heat damage. Just easy, breezy looks all day long. That's all from me, Vikings.
I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.